Kia ora, we're the McNeils. I'm Preston.
I'm Faye, this is Khan,
This is Ari.
and this is Little Baby Wild. We love to travel, and now we're going on an epic roadie down State Highway 1.
We'll come back for you when the tide goes out. Nice one. Go, 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 go. First time in Dunedin.
This is the Terminus. I love this place.
It's gorgeous, this little gem inside the city.
It's so tranquil and calm and flowers.
And then the McNeils turn up.
This place is beautiful, and it's so nice for the kids to see one of the other cultures of New Zealand represented in such a beautiful way.
Drifting away, no, 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 I'm okay with doing
Pay the men, whatever it is for this place.
drifting away, no,
Done is special. It's got all the special places.
doing nothing.
The clan crest. And Vincere Valmore means victory or death.
McNeil of Barra, which is, our last name is McNeil, but it comes from McNeil. Oh my god, I am not driving up there. This does not feel okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Yay! We're gonna roll some jelly beans. On your marks, get set, go!
I